Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Nestled in the cool hills of Mandeville, this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is ideal for those who like to be away from urban life but enjoy the amenities urban life gives. Located within 5 minutes drive of a major hospital, primary, preparatory and high schools, restaurants and golf course. Northern Caribbean University being 50 minutes away, this property is ideal for all ages. Offering in this fabulous home includes front and back porch, kitchen and dining area, laundry room, dedicated living and TV rooms, also a garage in a quiet and serene environment. The land area of this house is approximately 10,716 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.